Today in this video I show you how to fix missing photo or videos on iPhone. For this you have to open Photos app. Now if you did not find your photos in this, then you can click on this album and after that click on Recents. Now see if your missing photos are showing in this or not. Because sometimes a new photo did not show on library and also some specific photos of albums only show in their specific album folder. So you can find your missing photos in Recents and other albums. You can also try to find your missing photos and videos in Utilities. Inside Album section, you can open Imports, Duplicates to find your missing photos and videos. You can also check this hidden folder for missing photos and videos. Click on View Album. Now if you have phone passcode on your iPhone, then you have to enter your passcode to open hidden folder. You can also check Recently Deleted for missing photos and videos. Click on View Album, enter passcode and see if you have your missing photos or videos in this. Now if you did not find your missing photos and videos by any of these, then go back, open Settings, click on Apple ID, click on iCloud, click on Photos. Now turn off this toggle and click on Download Photos and Videos to download all your missing photos and videos in this iPhone. So this is how you can fix missing photos or videos on iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos like this.